Welcome to our hotel.
Welcome to our hotel.
How can I help you today?
How can I help you today?
Do you have a reservation?
Do you have a reservation?
Please sign in here.
Please sign in here.
Your room is ready.
Your room is ready.
I hope you enjoy your stay.
I hope you enjoy your stay.
The breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m.
The breakfast is served from 7 to 10 a.m.
Here is your room key.
Here is your room key.
Your room number is 205.
Your room number is 205.
Would you like a wake-up call?
Would you like a wake-up call?
The Wi-Fi password is on the card.
The Wi-Fi password is on the card.
Let me know if you need anything.
Let me know if you need anything.
Can I assist you with your luggage?
Can I assist you with your luggage?
Checkout time is at 11 a.m.
Checkout time is at 11 a.m.
We have a swimming pool on the third floor.
We have a swimming pool on the third floor.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
The menu is on the table.
The menu is on the table.
Can I take your order?
Can I take your order?
Would you like something to drink?
Would you like something to drink?
The restroom is on the left.
The restroom is on the left.
Please wait here for a moment.
Please wait here for a moment.
How was your meal?
How was your meal?
Thank you for choosing our hotel.
Thank you for choosing our hotel.
Is this your first time here?
Is this your first time here?
The elevator is on your right.
The elevator is on your right.
The restaurant opens at 6 p.m.
The restaurant opens at 6 p.m.
I will bring your order shortly.
I will bring your order shortly.
May I offer you some coffee?
May I offer you some coffee?
How many guests will be staying?
How many guests will be staying?
Do you need extra towels?
Do you need extra towels?
Here is your bill.
Here is your bill.
Please pay at the front desk.
Please pay at the front desk.
Do you want a receipt?
Do you want a receipt?
Your room is on the second floor.
Your room is on the second floor.
Please be careful with the stairs.
Please be careful with the stairs.
Would you like a non-smoking room?
Would you like a non-smoking room?
The air conditioning is adjustable.
The air conditioning is adjustable.
Here are the hotel's amenities.
Here are the hotel's amenities.
Can I offer you a newspaper?
Can I offer you a newspaper?
Do you need any help with your bags?
Do you need any help with your bags?
The hotel offers room service.
The hotel offers room service.
Would you like a tour of the hotel?
Would you like a tour of the hotel?
The hotel has free parking.
The hotel has free parking.
The gym is open 24 hours.
The gym is open 24 hours.
Please let me know if you need more pillows.
Please let me know if you need more pillows.
There is a gift shop on the first floor.
There is a gift shop on the first floor.
The bar opens at 5 p.m.
The bar opens at 5 p.m.
May I suggest a special dish?
May I suggest a special dish?
The hotel has a spa.
The hotel has a spa.
You can check out any time before noon.
You can check out any time before noon.
Do you have a credit card?
Do you have a credit card?
We accept all major credit cards.
We accept all major credit cards.
The hotel is pet-friendly.
The hotel is pet-friendly.
The restaurant is closed on Mondays.
The restaurant is closed on Mondays.
The coffee machine is in the lobby.
The coffee machine is in the lobby.
Would you like to book a spa treatment?
Would you like to book a spa treatment?
Please take a seat.
Please take a seat.
Can I offer you a towel?
Can I offer you a towel?
The restaurant serves international cuisine.
The restaurant serves international cuisine.
The room has a beautiful view.
The room has a beautiful view.
The hotel is fully booked tonight.
The hotel is fully booked tonight.
There is a surcharge for late checkout.
There is a surcharge for late checkout.
The room is ready for you to check in.
The room is ready for you to check in.
You can use the swimming pool from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
You can use the swimming pool from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
We hope to see you again soon.
We hope to see you again soon.
The staff is available 24 hours.
The staff is available 24 hours.
I'll call a taxi for you.
I'll call a taxi for you.
We offer free breakfast.
We offer free breakfast.
The room is equipped with a TV and minibar.
The room is equipped with a TV and minibar.
Do you prefer a king-size or queen-size bed?
Do you prefer a king-size or queen-size bed?
Your reservation is confirmed.
Your reservation is confirmed.
Can I show you to your seat?
Can I show you to your seat?
Enjoy your evening.
Enjoy your evening.
Your table is ready.
Your table is ready.
We have a special offer for you today.
We have a special offer for you today.
The reception is open 24 hours.
The reception is open 24 hours.
You can borrow an umbrella at the front desk.
You can borrow an umbrella at the front desk.
Would you like to upgrade your room?
Would you like to upgrade your room?
Please wait while I check your reservation.
Please wait while I check your reservation.
Is everything okay with your room?
Is everything okay with your room?
There is a laundry service in the hotel.
There is a laundry service in the hotel.
The pool is heated.
The pool is heated.
The hotel offers free internet access.
The hotel offers free internet access.
Would you like to make a reservation for tomorrow?
Would you like to make a reservation for tomorrow?
The kitchen is open for lunch.
The kitchen is open for lunch.
Your reservation includes breakfast.
Your reservation includes breakfast.
The room has free bottled water.
The room has free bottled water.
I hope you have a pleasant stay.
I hope you have a pleasant stay.
Would you like to add an extra bed?
Would you like to add an extra bed?
I will call housekeeping for you.
I will call housekeeping for you.
We have a variety of teas available.
We have a variety of teas available.
Your luggage will be delivered shortly.
Your luggage will be delivered shortly.
The gift shop closes at 8 p.m.
The gift shop closes at 8 p.m.
The hotel has an elevator for your convenience.
The hotel has an elevator for your convenience.
The fitness center is on the second floor.
The fitness center is on the second floor.
We have a meeting room available.
We have a meeting room available.
You can order food to your room.
You can order food to your room.
Would you like a quiet room?
Would you like a quiet room?
There are many restaurants nearby.
There are many restaurants nearby.
I'll make sure your room is cleaned.
I'll make sure your room is cleaned.
The hotel is located in the city center.
The hotel is located in the city center.
Please enjoy your complimentary drink.
Please enjoy your complimentary drink.
Your check-in is complete.
Your check-in is complete.
The hotel offers breakfast in bed.
The hotel offers breakfast in bed.
You can leave your luggage with us.
You can leave your luggage with us.
May I take your coat?
May I take your coat?
The hotel has a lovely garden.
The hotel has a lovely garden.
Do you need a taxi to the airport?
Do you need a taxi to the airport?
Please come back soon.
Please come back soon.
Would you like a dessert with your meal?
Would you like a dessert with your meal?
I will prepare the bill for you.
I will prepare the bill for you.
We provide fresh towels every day.
We provide fresh towels every day.
There is a hairdryer in the bathroom.
There is a hairdryer in the bathroom.
The restaurant is very popular.
The restaurant is very popular.
The weather is nice today.
The weather is nice today.
The menu is available in several languages.
The menu is available in several languages.
You can take a taxi from the front entrance.
You can take a taxi from the front entrance.
The hotel has excellent customer service.
The hotel has excellent customer service.
Can I get you a glass of water?
Can I get you a glass of water?
You can relax in the lobby.
You can relax in the lobby.
Would you like to join us for dinner?
Would you like to join us for dinner?
The restaurant is known for its delicious food.
The restaurant is known for its delicious food.
Would you like to book a table for two?
Would you like to book a table for two?
There is a business center on site.
There is a business center on site.
The hotel offers free coffee in the lobby.
The hotel offers free coffee in the lobby.
We have a variety of newspapers available.
We have a variety of newspapers available.
The hotel has a beautiful view of the beach.
The hotel has a beautiful view of the beach.
The pool is open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
The pool is open from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Your room is on the first floor.
Your room is on the first floor.
The front desk is open 24 hours.
The front desk is open 24 hours.
Do you need any assistance with your luggage?
Do you need any assistance with your luggage?
You can use the elevator to go up.
You can use the elevator to go up.